Alright, and I just got a box of longevity too, so I'll do that real quick. Here you go, Wisconsin Badger, box number 2. Box number 2. So. And good luck. Bishop Sankey, jersey card, cross training for the Titans. Bishop Sankey for the Titans, jersey card. D'Anthony Thomas, red parallel for the Chiefs. Dry Archer for the Steelers, jersey card, cross training. Dry Archer for the Steelers, jersey card. Carson Palmer, red parallel. Jeremy Hill for the Bengals, jersey card, cross training. Jeremy Hill for the Bengals, jersey card. Larry Fitzgerald, blue parallel, 5/25 for the Cardinals. Taj Boy, red parallel for the Jets. Tevin Smith, autograph, 129/199 for the Jaguars. Tevin Smith, autograph for the Jaguars. Luke Kuechly, red parallel for the Panthers. So your hits are Larry Fitzgerald, blue parallel, 5/25. Jeremy Hill jersey. Dry Archer jersey. Bishop Sankey jersey. And a Tevin Smith autograph out of 129/199. There you go. I'll get the YouTube link over to you right away then.